to our loving education program supervisor, Sir Leo Tumulto, to the beautiful and supportive department heads and coordinators of EPP, TLE, and TVL department, to my fellow open-minded educators, pleasant day. My task today is to discuss to you what is live broadcasting software or application and the tools, materials needed for Chroma KE. Now, allow me first to ask you this question. What is live streaming software? Video streaming software allows you to mix multiple camera sources to create a professional-looking, high-definition broadcast. What does live streaming software do? Typically, it serves two main purposes: encoding and mixing or production. Encoding. Live broadcasting software uses video encoding technology to convert your video feed into a suitable format for live streaming. Mixing and production. The main purpose of live video mixing software, otherwise known as live video switching, involves selecting and displaying multiple sources while a live broadcast is underway. In short, mixing is a kind of on-the-fly editing that the TV industry has used for many decades. According to Dacas.com, there are several best live streaming software for broadcasting in 2021. Today, we're going to discuss only the first 4 best software for broadcasting. First, we have the Wirecast. The pros of Wirecast: easy to use, user-friendly platform, compatible with most popular operating systems, fully loaded with valuable features, green screen, instant replay. The cons of Wirecast: high price point, many features that are locked in studio version, and it consumes a lot of computer memory, and has a price range of $600 to $800. Second on the line, we have the vMix. The pros: some limitations on compatibility. It has a plan for every budget. Users rave about switcher functions. The cons: streams in relatively low bit. What is a bit rate? In layman's terms, this refers to the quality of streamed video. It has some bugs which users suggest to be fixed with software update, and the price range of $60 to $1,200. Third in line, we have the Beat Blaster X. The pros: has plans a wide range of budget, feature rich. The cons: not compatible with macOS, well not suited for inexperienced live streamers just like us, and it has a slightly complex in terms of control. Pricing with a $9 per year up to $1,000 per year. And then next, we have, on the 4th place, we have the Obs Studio. The pros: it's free, easy to use for beginners, it has frequent updates, and able to function on lower quality internet. The cons: some limitations on features, room for improvement for plugins, and of course, it's absolutely free. Before we proceed to the download of our OBS application, what are the materials needed for Chroma KE? First, for the basic setup, you must have a computer. So, a computer that is either a desktop or a laptop. Desktop with a web camera and a headset. A laptop with a built-in camera and a built-in mic. And next, a high-speed internet connection. So the baseline of fiber optic connection is around 25 Mbps. Next, we have the audio speaker, so that we could hear clearly our students or audience. Next, we have the Gina cloth. Have at least 3 to 5 meters since it is very cheap. You can use other colors as mentioned by Ma'am Bernal a while ago, but we highly recommend the neon green. Next, we have a ring light or a well-lighted room. Consider lighting since it's hard to set up chroma keying in low light. Now let's have the add-ons for our basic setup. But without this add-on, you can still start your chroma keying. These add-ons are for your convenience. First, let's have the sound card. Nowadays, laptop comes only with one jack. Much better to have a USB sound card, just like this one, for an easy plug-in, the microphone, and an output of your sound. A V8 sound card can enhance the online class or presentation. It adds some spice since it enhances your voice, and it has a built-in features of different sound effects that can be used for interaction such as like this. A clap for your students, getting the attention of your students who is sleepy. Or you could give a kiss to your students virtually. Thank you for listening. Here's your kiss. Or react to your students' answer like this one.
Awesome!
So next, we have the condenser microphone. Condenser microphone can pick up your voice clearly compared to built-in microphone. Another one, we have the lapel microphone. So lapel mics is very useful, especially you are moving around during your presentation or showing a step or a procedure. Another one, we have the mini keyboard. This can be used as a presenter, and you can switch between windows with its built-in mouse pad. Next, we have your 1080p web camera. A good camera will give additional details to your image as being the presenter. A TV monitor or a smart TV will help you see your presentation or monitor your audience through extended view of our PC or laptop. I think we are ready to download our OBS application. Open your browser and search for obsproject.com. And once you have opened your browser and search the obsproject.com, you will be prompted with this window. Now, if your computer runs on a Windows platform, click Windows. And if it is on a Mac, click the Mac button. And if it is of the Linux, you click the Linux button. And after that, you will be prompted to download the following. Okay? And then, you click Save. After clicking the Save, your download will start. And once it is finished, your installer looks like this. Double-click your installer and just follow on through with the installation. But do not open yet your OBS application after installing. You need to download the OBS virtual camera. Again, open your browser and type OBS virtual camera. And you will be prompted with this one. So take note that you're going to download the OBS virtual cam version 2.0.5. After doing so, go to download. Nevertheless, if you are a Windows user, a Mac user, or a Linux user, this installer will work. So, click Save. After clicking Save, your download will start, and you will be prompted with this icon after the download is finished. Double-click this icon and follow on through with the installation process. Now, let's open our OBS. And our OBS looks something like this. Just a walkthrough. We have here the scenes, the sources, audio mixer, the transitions, and the controls. Above, we have the File, Edit, View, Profile, Scene Collection, Tools, and Help. Now I think you are ready to set up your OBS. Sir Luis Bernal will present to you a comprehensive step-by-step procedure on how to prepare the OBS, your PowerPoint, and yourself. This will be followed by a one-time setup in Google Meet and MS Teams as our online platform. And I hope you will use this Chroma keying as to innovation in our online teaching and presentation. Thank you, and God bless everyone. Keep safe.